How to undo delete from me WhatsApp message. If you act quickly, you may be able to undo it. First, open WhatsApp and locate the message you want to delete. Press and hold the message. Then tap the delete icon. Now, if you accidentally tap delete for me instead of delete for everyone, don't panic. Immediately look at the bottom of your screen. WhatsApp will briefly display an undo option. As soon as you see undo, tap it right away. The message will instantly reappear in the chat, allowing you to select it again if you still want to delete it using the correct option. Keep in mind that the undo button only appears for a few seconds. If you miss that short window, there's no official way to recover the message in the chat, and you'll need to send it again if necessary. If your goal is to remove the message for everyone, select the restored message again, tap the delete icon, and this time choose delete for everyone, as long as you're still within WhatsApp's allowed time limit. And that's it. That's how you can undo a delete from me action on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, iPhone and Android tutorials, and step-by-step guides.